Samrong Kiat Waterfall. Samrong Kiat Waterfall is one of the well-known waterfalls in Sisaket Province, located within the Panam Dongrok Wildlife Sanctuary in Bakdong Subdistrict, Khun Han District. The waterfall was previously known as Devil's Waterfall, named after a Special Forces unit with the nickname Devil's Unit. The distinctive feature of this waterfall is its flowing stream at the top, which cascades over a rocky terrace, creating a visually stunning scene, particularly during the rainy season. The surrounding area is lush and shaded with a variety of trees, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and outdoor activities, such as picnics, swimming, or photography. Like many waterfalls, Samrong Kiat offers refreshing water flows during the rainy season, providing an enjoyable experience for visitors. The best time to visit is from September to February each year.